Perfect time too. It's 7:20.
What?
Perfect time too. It's 7:20 already.
That was weird. You could see the lightning on the pavement on our flagstones there by the back door. The reflection of it.
Even use their pet names.
I wonder what Thor's doing it.
Huh? What?
I wonder if THOR is doing it.
Maybe.
Strawberry, that's the most intimate snack of them all. Holt's gonna be back from his meeting in 30 minutes. What do we do?
Eat the note now. No. It's okay.
It's kind of good he's doing it at 7 because, you know, at night I'm sleeping.
Yeah. I'm gonna go to the bathroom again. Why are you staring at me all anxiously, Beefy, and licking your chops? He did this. He grabs me and he goes.
With his wide lies. Oh, Julius.
Oh, are you anxious because of the thunder, Beef?
It is quite impressive.
Really?
I don't think he cares about the thunder because he came up to me and bonked me.
Beefy.
Ow! She stomped on my foot 4 times already today.
They call me the Thunder Beef.
I gotta pee.
I gotta go look outside.
Why? My father's fascinated by the rain. Apparently, in unarranged Chicago little comeback.
Smells like rain too. What?
As soon as I stepped out on the deck, big fat raindrops started coming down. No, puppy. No, puppy.
Jesus.
That was a little loud.
That was very close. Vicky, are you okay, honey?
I'm fine.
I know it probably freaked you out, huh?
A little bit.
I was talking to Vivian, not you.
I was talking for Vivian.
Vivian, did that freak you out?
No.
It freaked me out.
I think it freaked the dog out too.
Yeah,
She doesn't come in by you when you're pottying that often.
no, she never comes in by me. She opens the door and lays outside it. This time she came in.
out. Is the puppy okay?
She's a little freaked out by the sight of the nightmare. You should comfort her with cuddles. What?
Mine is.
Yeah.
I was on Wi-Fi.
You're on Wi-Fi, then it's Comcast.
I switched to data, so it's still fine.
Well, wait, we still have cable.
What?
No, the picture's still on.
Hit play, boy.
You see the buffers?
Yeah, the X-Fi is still solid white.
It just didn't like your phone in particular, boy.
It probably just hiccuped.
Okay.
Sorry.
Honey, make yourself a lunch from the food you didn't finish.
I shall.
I'm getting myself more.
Okay, I'll wait.
It's gonna get those next to me.
I just made myself a lunch with what was left of my fried rice.
You got it right there. Make your lunch. Oh, you're talking about you fried rice. Yeah.